Okay, everybody, this kind of goes along with the screenshot that I posted to Instagram earlier today because I have my Starfish going. And so, what I wanted to do was kind of revisit the Starfish program. Um, and what I wanted to do was kind of get into using lights, which I really hadn't gotten into lights yet, but we got into fake lights. Okay, so I added a uniform in the vertex shader called fake light. It's a vector 2. I had a problem with this. It's the distance function that computes the distance between the fake light and the position that's thrown in for each particular point that's sent into the OpenGL pipeline. So I had to cast it from a vector 2 to a vector 3 and then compare the distance. And then if the distance is less than 0.01, then I set the color to red. If it is not, then the color is already set to the color that was sent in with the Starfish. To do this, I had to create a variable vector2 fake light, set it equal to 0. What else did I have to do? I had to come down here and I got real familiar with a couple of these function calls until I figured out which one worked and which one did what I wanted to do. GL uniform 2FV, which is to float a vector of 2 floats. GL get uniform locations and shader programs, so it looks in your shader program for this location and it sends that to the output of this function, sends it into the first parameter of this function, so you got GL uniform of 2FE. That location, comma 1, not sure exactly what that is, but I think it's looks like size, and then the address of the fake light, the first part of the arrays, which is the beginning of the data. So anyways, then once I got it to respond to data inside the loop there, I was able to change it. So in the points move function, I just went down here, and just to show that it worked, I updated the light position, so the X position is incremented every frame. If the X position goes greater than 1, then it resets it back to -1, and so you'll see the result right here. It's just the light that is kind of moving slowly across the screen. And it doesn't do any sort of diffusion of the light, so it doesn't get less luminous as it goes from the center of the position of the fake light, but we can work on that. I just wanted to start with this and show you all. So, all right, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.